mbitika-ini cia kimabururi kiama kiria kirugamagirira mbitika-ini Kenya Rugby Union ikitena ya kwambia gwitheria niguo gucokereria na njiira imwe mahuthiirite ni kwamuura utongoria mweru thini wa mbitika-ini ici kiama giki ni kiamurite kithiri wa atanya fara wao aria ariteithagiririe ni Lois Kisia na manager wao ari Steve Sewe na Andrew Amonde ni agiritwo kana ni ahetwo ari nyafara wa kumarora uria marahura mehariririe na Chris Brown onake ni atuikite wa ukorwo akiheo gaturwa ukorwo akirugamirira timu ino ya kagi bururi-ini.
We announce the changes in the technical bench, and they are as follows. Head coach is Kevin Wambua, assistant coach Louis Kisia, team manager Steve Sewe, strength and conditioning coach Andrew Amonde, physiotherapist Lamek Mogonko, strength and conditioning consultant is Chris Brown, who is formerly with Kenya, and the team liaison is Eric Ogweno. These are all familiar names to you. So this team is in for 4 months for now, as they take us to Harare, the Olympics qualifier and Africa Cup. We have got strong opposition there. This team has been working in the background. So what has been out there in the press the last week and a half or two has been rumors. So you can see the names are different. The squads committee, the elite squads committee was convened and has reviewed, and those are the people that are going to take Kenya Sevens forward. So players playing in the circuit are the ones who are going to play. Nobody outside is going to come and play for the Kenya.
Kiroto gya gukorwo na mubira wa kagi mukinyaniru guku bururi-ini